Hey guys, so I will be sharing a hack that you can use if you want to show a curated activity. So scroll down on your LinkedIn profile and you will see here activity. Then if you notice, dito sa aking profile, the first thing that you will see is yung mga document posts. So, kung gusto nyo i-highlight yung mga best content nyo, or let's say, gusto nyo i-highlight yung comment, or videos na ginagawa nyo, sinishare nyo, or mga images lang ba, or events, or yung lahat ng post. So, all you need to do is click the pen icon. Ito siya. Click the pen icon, and then LinkedIn will ask you what content do you want to show first. In my example here, I click documents, and then I simply click save. And ayan siya. Parang hindi ata yan na-save. Sige, save natin ulit. Okay, save. Then, kung i-refresh natin yan, yung lalabas is yung aking mga document posts. Ayan.